In a lit studio, a food scientist explains that eating videos aren't about loud crunches, but about capturing texture, aroma, and timing with visuals. A creator tests subtle sound dampening and close-ups to show how whispers of flavor can tell a story without overwhelming the senses. On screen, an eye-tracking expert notes viewers linger on color contrasts and spoon motion as cues for taste. A quick experiment compares fast cuts to longer takes, revealing packing can boost retention when the narrative centers on discovery. The closing message invites viewers to celebrate mindful bites and responsible eating content.